Hey guys, this is Andrew with Crypto Core, and I'm going back into doing videos on this channel. So before I used to make some videos, then I was extremely busy with my own projects in crypto, and I'm back right now. And today I want to talk about the macro picture of Bitcoin. And this charting comes from the video by Kirby trading. It's a great channel. I watch 1-2 videos from this channel per week, and it's been great, been extremely informative for me. And what we're looking at is the monthlies, and the indicator is called chnnael. Great indicator, very brutal about what's going on here. And as you can see, we've got 3 tops. You know where those tops are, and we've got 2 bottoms and 1 black swan event because of the corona. You know where those bottoms are. And right now we're here. You can see that there was a big decrease, and right now we're in basically the middle of the thing. So are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? I don't know. What I can say for sure is that Kirby says that based on the previous dynamics of the 2 sell-offs, sell-offs went on till we got here, and here can be around 30k or 40k, something like that. Right now we're pushing hard back to the 60k mark, but I mean, like, even if we do the ATH tomorrow, like 70k or whatever, what does this mean? Does this mean that we're going to go up right now? The probability says that no. Of course, the historical results are not an indicator of the future events, but they are in many cases, you know. This is what trading is about. You look at the previous moves of the asset, and you make predictions on the level of probability of what's going on, what's going to happen next. And every YouTuber is so deep into this thing, it's the historical results, into this thing. This is dailies, and dailies are okay, but because they're dailies, right? But when a person goes into 1 minute time frame, Jesus Christ, what are you talking about? What 1 minute time frame? What are you talking about? I honestly trade 1 minute time frame a little bit. I'm starting to do that, and I trade EURUSD and Bitcoin. I personally do that. I'm not sure that you are going to. And if you're not going to trade 1 minute or 1 hour or 1 day, what's the point of talking about it? Kirby says that we are still here in the complacency stage. So where is it? Into the where I closed it. Jesus Christ. If you're still watching this video, you have a very strong character in you. I'm gonna find it. I'm not gonna be a pushover. So we're in the complacency stage. Where are you? I definitely am. I'm a complacent jackass, you know. So when is the depression going to set in? I don't know. With me, it's probably never, because I'm a DCA guy. If you want to describe me in one phrase, it'll be Andrew the DCA. DCA, there is like the second word. Andrew DCA. I DCA. I've been DCAing for quite some time. Daily cost averaging. I buy a little bit, let's say 2, 3, 4, 10% of the monthly income, and I buy in Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the, how do you say, it's the flagman. is the main thing in crypto. Ethereum is not there yet. It can be. I've got a little bit of the bag in Ethereum, but Bitcoin is what it is. And I do think that we're in the complacency stage, and I do think that there's a lot of people who are buying Bitcoin right now because of some preaching from folks who are looking at this chart, at the 4-hour chart. They're saying something like that. And based on the local events, we can see that we're going to go up right now, and we're going to break the 100,000 benchmark in 2 months. I don't know what the accent is, but they do have that accent, like all of them, right? So, are we going to hit 100k? Yes. Maybe in 17 days, 25 seconds, and 1 nanosecond. Nanosecond is 1/billionth of a second, if I remember correctly. So, don't even think about that. Don't even think about trying to time the market. This is not about you. This has never been about you. This is about the masses of the folks from underdeveloped and completely non-developed countries like Africa, like Asia. Those people are going to use Bitcoin to hedge against their inflation risks. They're going to use Bitcoin as a means of transfer value and store of value, and basically this is going to be their currency. You know that. What's your purpose in this? Your purpose is about creating the sustainable underlying pool of liquidity. You should be the guy who buys Bitcoin and holds Bitcoin whatever is happening. Your taxi driver is saying that DCA is bullshit and there's an RSI flag, and you're like, man, drive the taxi, you know? Another guy says, like your friend says to you, that Bitcoin is going to hit 500k, and he's in marketing. You're like, man, do the marketing. Will it hit 500k? Will it not? Who cares? UDCA, this is your philosophy, right? I'm not trying to zombify you or whatever. This is my philosophy. This is who I am. I'm the DCA guy. And honestly, I like this chart. I like this chart. You know why? You know why? This one. This one. This one here. I like it. You know why? Because there's gonna be a ton of paper hands who are going to be shaken out of the market. They're not going to be able to withstand the whiplash of going down to 30k. They're going to be decimated. They're not going to survive. I'm going to survive. Me and the guys from Wells Fargo and every other big bank, because they don't care about the local events. They don't use margin. They don't trade. They invest. And that's the main point. Are you a trader, or are you an investor, or are you a speculator? Do you know the difference between the three terms? If you don't know the difference, you need to find it out. Because if somehow you ended up watching this video, which is completely, I haven't been doing videos for a long time. If you're watching it, I don't know, why would you watch this video? I plan to delete it in some time, but I need to start pushing out videos, so I'm pushing them out. So if somebody watches it, so I don't know why you would watch it, but still, if you are watching it, you need to understand what the difference is between the video is good, the material is good, but this is a very, very early stage channel. That's what I mean. There is no bullshit here. But you do need to understand the basics. You need to understand what the difference between investors, traders, and speculators. Investors invest in the value. They don't try to predict the local market moves. They invest into something that they believe has great underlying fundamentals, which will take it to the freaking moon tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow, but in 5, 10, 25, 100,000 years. Traders, they don't care about the global events. They are these guys. They are these guys. You can see this pink stuff, and that's why blah 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 blah. That's me. I'm a trader. And speculators, these are the worst, because I think speculators don't understand who they are. They want to be investors, but at the same time they're traders, and that's like they are somewhere in the middle, but they try to make money, but they also want to invest. They are the worst. They are hamsters. They're hamsters. They're not sure who they are. Like, there's nothing wrong with being a trader. I'm a trader. I trade on M1. I like it. I make a little bit of money. But I wouldn't advise you to do that, because you need to be glued to the screen, you know. If you want to be an investor, that's cool. But don't try to be an investor and trader at the same time. And that's why I like this charting. I like it because it's going to shake out a lot of people. That's for sure, because the price is going to keep going down even into the 20s. So what? I believe in Bitcoin. I've been investing in Bitcoin a little bit from my salary, like 2, 3, 10% for years. I've been buying Bitcoin when it was 4K, 10K, 20K, 25K, 30K. I've been buying it for years a little bit. So I've got an averaged price, and I don't care if it goes down to 5K tomorrow. I'm still gonna be buying it at around 10% of my salary. Be like me. This is a winning strategy. And if you don't believe that Bitcoin is the future, don't buy Bitcoin. It's that easy, you know. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.